Good morning students, welcome in this class. This video is for class 7 subject social science. Today we are going to start geography chapter 8, life in the tropical and subtropical region. It is the first lecture of this chapter, and in today's lecture topics to be discussed are: first one, life in the Amazon basin, climate, rainforest, and in last, some questions will be given to you to solve as homework. So let's start today's discussion. So in today's discussion, our first topic is life in Amazon basin. Yes friends, Amazon basin, what does it mean? First, you must know about the meaning of basin. Actually, basin is the large area which is drained by any particular river. So, we are discussing about Amazon basin. It means that the area which is drained by river Amazon. So, where this area is there or where Amazon river flows, we will discuss about these topics. Okay friends, so Amazon basin, actually this area is located in the South America continent. Okay, and here one river flows which is Amazon. So in today's lecture we will discuss about the location of Amazon basin or about Amazon river. Okay, the tropical region lies very close to the equator between 10 degree north and 10 degree south. Okay, so friends, here two words are used: tropical region, equator. So what do you mean by tropical region? Yes friends, as we have studied in our previous lectures, and you have studied in your previous classes also about the important latitudes. Okay, some imaginary lines are drawn on the earth which are known as latitudes and longitudes. Okay, so equator is the, you can say, imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth at 0 degree. Now I will show you on the diagram also. So give a look on this diagram. Okay, this is the diagram of important latitudes on the earth. Okay, so give a look on this arrow. So this is the center line. Actually it is an imaginary line which passes through the center of the earth at 0 degree. This is known as equator. Okay, and this line divides the earth into two equal halves. This is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. So the imaginary lines which lie in the northern hemisphere, these are Tropic of Cancer, which lies at 23.5 degree N. What does it mean N here? Actually N marked with the north direction. Okay, this latitude lies in the northern hemisphere, that's why we mark with N. Okay, second is there, that is Arctic Circle. This is 66.5 degree north. 90 degree and this is North Pole. Now come in the southern hemisphere, so that is Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree S. S means southern hemisphere. Next one, Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree south and 90 degree S. This is South Pole. So we are talking about Amazon basin which lies 10 degree north and 10 degree south. So where it is located? It is located like this is 0 degree, and here around here means 10 degree north and 10 degree south means this area from you can say near the or very close to the equator. Okay, this is known as means the area which lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This is known as tropical zone. Okay, so the area which lie near the equator, that is tropical, and as much as far away, these are known as subtropical. Understood about it? So we were discussing about the Amazon basin. So location of Amazon basin, it lies very close to the equator between 10 degree north and 10 degree south. Understood about it? The river Amazon flows through this region. So which river flows in this area? Amazon river. It flows from the mountains to the west and reaches the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Yes, friends, now I will show you the map of Amazon river. Give a look here. Okay, this is the North America, this is the map of South America. Okay, now we will see or give a look on the location of Amazon river. So this red line which is marked to show Amazon river. Okay, so this is the originate place of the Amazon river, means it originates from here, and in the west, this is the west direction, this is east direction. So in the west it originates from the mountainous area. Okay, then in the way it drains the area of Peru, Colombia, Brazil and some part of Venezuela. Because it is far away from it, so means only some part of the Venezuela is drained by Amazon river. Okay, this is the mouth of the river. What is the mouth of the river? Means the place where any water body falls or flows into another water body, that is known as mouth. Okay, so the Amazon river fall here into the Atlantic Oceans. Where? In the Atlantic Ocean. So this is the mouth and here it falls into the Atlantic Ocean. So this is the extent of Amazon river. Amazon river originates from the mountains in the west. Okay, and it falls in the Atlantic Ocean in the east. And which places are drained by it? Which that areas come under Amazon basin? The areas of Ecuador, okay, Colombia, then Peru, after Brazil and some part of Venezuela. Understood about it? Yes. Now I will show you the location of Amazon basin also. Give a look here. So this is the Amazon basin. As we have studied, or just I told you that it lies between the 10 degree north to 10 degree south. Now I will show its location. Give a look here, and on this pointer or arrow, look here, that is the equator. It is written here equator, and this is 0 degree. As we know, equator passes through the center of the earth at 0 degree. Okay, now 10 degree north to equator, 10 degree south to equator. So this is 0 degree equator, and look here, that is 10 degree north. And we see that this is the extent of Amazon basin. Now come at the south. So here 10 degree south. Okay, so from this line 10 degree north to 10 degree south, this line. So this area is Amazon basin river. I told you the area of Peru, the area of Brazil, the area of Colombia and the Venezuela. These parts come under Amazon basin. Understood about it? So look the map very carefully. So this is 0 degree, this is 10 degree north, this is 10 degree south. So this is the extent of Amazon basin. Okay, 10 degree north to equator, 10 degree south to equator. Understood about it? Okay. So the tropical region lies very close to equator between 10 degree north to 10 degree south. Understood about the location? Which river flows? Amazon river. It flows the mountains to the west. This I also show you, that reaches the Atlantic Ocean, fall into the Atlantic Ocean in the east. Latitudes we have discussed. I have shown you this map also, Amazon river and the Amazon basin also. Now we will discuss about Amazon basin in detail. The place where a river flows into another body of the water is called the river's mouth. This I told you. I have shown you the mouth of the Amazon river also when it falls in Atlantic Ocean. So what do you mean by the river's mouth? The place where a river flows or falls into another water body, that place is known as river's mouth. Numerous tributaries join the Amazon river to form the Amazon basin. Yes, students, you must know about the meaning of tributaries. What do you mean by tributaries? Tributaries means a number of small rivers. A number of small rivers which join on any big river. So these small rivers are known as the tributaries of that big river. Okay. So many small rivers which join Amazon rivers. Okay. And all together they form Amazon basin. The river basin drains portion of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia and a small part of Venezuela. This already I have shown you on the map. Okay, means the part of these countries are drained by the river Amazon. Got it? Okay, now we will discuss about the climate. What do you mean by climate word? Actually, climate is the average weather condition of any place, region which remains same throughout the year. Okay. So if we talk about the climate of Amazon basin, okay, that is hot and humid. Yes, friends, as we know that location of any place is the main factor which affects the climate of any area. Okay, means location is the main factor which affects the climate of any area, and we have discussed about the location of Amazon basin, that it lies near the equator, and as we know, near the equator sun rays fall directly. Okay, so this area receives maximum heat from the sun, so that's why hot climate is there, and due to this maximum heat more evaporation is there. That's why which type climate? Wet. Hot and wet or humid climate is found in the areas which lie near the equator. And Amazon basin is also, means Amazon basin also lie near the equator, that's why hot and humid climate is found in this area. And due to hot and humid climate, thick forests are found in Amazon basin. Okay, so as it rains heavily in this region, thick forest grows. Okay, and these are known as rainforest. The forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. Okay, students, the forests are in fact so thick, means in this forest trees are found, trees are very tall and very you can say dense, close to each other. In this forest trees grow very close to each other, they are very tall also. So that's why at the top the branches and the leaves of the trees, okay, and that they join together, and in this way they make a roof of leaves which is also known as canopy. Okay, and this canopy and the roof of the leaves does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. That's why that in these forests always there is darkness and damp means wet. Okay, so that's why they are known as heart of darkness also. Okay, and in this forest a large variety of vegetations are also found. Okay, and in these vegetations means the ground remains dark and damp, only shade tolerant vegetation may grow there, means the vegetation which don't need so much sunlight, कि only these vegetations are grown in this forest. Okay, and these forests are also known as evergreen forest. Okay, because in these forests that trees do not shed their leaves at the same time, or you can say in a particular season. That's why they remain green throughout the year. Understood? Okay, and these rainforests are found in the area where there is high amount of rainfall occur. So understood about the climatic condition of the Amazon basin. So sometimes this question is asked, write a note on the climatic condition of Amazon basin. So you must know about it that hot and humid climate is there. In these areas there is great amount of rainfall. That's why thick forests are found. Okay, and in these forest trees are very close to each other. They make canopy, doesn't allow the sunlight to reach on the ground, and they remains dark and damp. And one another feature of that climatic condition that here days are, you can say, days and nights are mostly equal. Okay, now about the wildlife in Amazon basin. So thick forests are there. So a large variety of species of, you can say, birds, animals, reptiles, okay, are found in this forest. The rainforest is rich in fauna. Yes friends, always we use two words, flora and fauna. Flora word is used for vegetation and fauna word is used for wildlife. Okay, so rainforest is rich in fauna means wildlife. Birds such as toucans, hummingbird, bird of paradise with their brilliantly colored plumage, oversized bill for eating make them different from birds we commonly see in India. Understood about it? So these are the mainly birds which are found in the forest of Amazon. These are toucans, hummingbirds and plumage. Okay. Now I will show you the pic of or image of these birds. You will look here. So these are the birds like toucans, hummingbirds and plumage. Understood about it? They are very beautiful. Means these birds are found in Amazon basin. And if we talk about the animals, okay, these birds make very loud sound in this forest, and animals, monkeys, sloth, ant-eating tadpoles are found here. Okay, and a great you can say variety of species of reptiles, snakes also thrive in these jungles. Crocodiles, snakes, pythons, amount, anaconda, boa constrictor are also you can see some of the species. And beside the basin is home to thousands of species of insect. Okay, so birds, animals and thousands of species of insects are found in this forest. Several species of fishes including the flesh eating, so this is very famous common fish which eat the flesh. This is piranha. Okay, piranha fish is also found in the rivers of Amazon. This basin is thus extraordinarily rich in variety of life found there. Okay, so friends, in this way we can see that a large variety of species of reptiles, birds, animals, okay, are found. The forest of the Amazon basin rich in fauna or a wildlife. Now we will discuss about the life of the people living in this forest. So as we know that friends that in the forest mostly tribal people lives. Okay, and they are nomads also, and always keep on moving, and that you can say practice a different custom and culture. So the people, those who are living in this forest, which lifestyle they have, now we will discuss about it. People grow their food in small areas after clearing some trees in the forest. Okay, means they are most of the people, as I told, that they are tribal, and they are involved in the activities of hunting, farming, or you can say shifting cultivations. So for that, what they do means people grow their food in the small area, means they do not have the much, you can say, advanced tools, technologies, or techniques. They what they do, they just cleared a small patch of forest land for cultivation, and in this part they cleared the tree, cut the tree, and burnt them. Okay, and that part of the forest they used for cultivation. In this part they scattered the seed, and means they don't use any fertilizers. Okay, and the ash of the burnt tree they used as manures. Okay, so as I told that they don't use any fertilizers. So after the sometimes when the this patch of the land, forest land, loses its fertility, then they shift to the another part. So this type of cultivation is known as slash and burn agriculture, means cut the tree, burn the tree, and use that land for cultivation. The other name is shifting cultivation. So I think now you have understood about the slash and burn agriculture. So what do you mean by slash and burn agriculture? Means in this type of agriculture, a small patch or part of forest land is cleared, trees are cut and burnt. Okay, that area is used for cultivation. Tribal people scattered the seed in this area. They used that ash of the burnt trees as manure. Okay, so when this part of the land loses its fertility, then they shift to the another part. So this is slash and burn agriculture, or you can say this is shifting cultivation. Understood about it? And if we talk about the occupations of the people, that most of the people are men especially are involved in hunting. Okay, they hunt the animals and fish along the rivers, and women that they are involved in taking care of crops. And if we talk about the crops, which crops are grown by the people in this area, so they grow pineapple, sweet potato, okay, and typeka. This is also a type of crop grown here. They practice slash and burn agriculture. This already we have discussed about it. And the staple food is staple food. Staple food. What do you mean by staple food? Actually, friends, staple food means the food which is the main part of our diet. Okay, the main part of the diet is known as staple food. So the staple food is known as manioc, and this is also known as cassava. It is like you can say underground root of any tree, like potato. Okay, so cassava, or you can say that is manioc, is the main food of the or staple food of the people living in this forest. Understood about it? Yes. So what is the lifestyle of the people of the rainforest? Means they practiced slash and burn agriculture or shifting cultivation. And second, men involved in the work of hunting. And third, women take care of the crops, and they grow these crops, about that which already we have discussed. Okay, they grow cash crop also. Cash crop, students, do you know about the cash crop? Crops are of two types: food crops and cash crop. Food crops, the crops which are used, you can say, to eat, which are the main, which are the part of our diet. And cash crop, which are grown for selling in the market or to earn profit. Okay, like coffee, maize, cocoa. These are crops, cash crop, and grown by the people of this rainforest. The rainforest provide a lot of wood for the houses. Means these people build their houses with wood. Some families live in the thatched house. Thatched house means the house which is made up of dry grass. Okay, and which is also known as hut, shaped like beehives. There are other large apartment like house called that is maloka, with a steeply slanting roof. Understood about it? Means the people, those who are poor and live in the forest, they live in the hut or the thatched houses, and the people, those who are living near the city, they live in the large you can say apartments, which are known as maloka. Okay. In the olden days, the heart of the forest could be reached only by navigating the rivers. Yes, friends, as we know that the time is, you can say, with the passage of time, new technologies, techniques, and you can say development is occurring. So for that, now we can reach in any part of the earth. It is possible now. But if we talk about few years back or in the olden days, and in this rainforest, it was not possible to you can say enter in the center or the heart of the forest, and at that time only boats were used. Okay, boats were used to reach there. But now, as I told, the development, okay, new techniques, technologies in the means of transport, okay, and in other ways. So for that, now it is possible or very easy to reach on any part, any corner of the earth. So in 1970, the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. Means now we can reach there. Aircraft and helicopters are also used for reaching various places. So earlier, which means of transport was used? Boat. And this time, means aircraft and helicopters are also used to reach different places, or you can say reach at the center of this Amazon basin. Okay, so means what does it mean? It means the life of the people of Amazon basin is slowly changing. In the older days, means that the heart of the forest couldn't be reached, means it only by navigation the river. But now many other you can say advanced means of transport are there, and we can reach there. This is there. So this is the advantage, but one disadvantage is also of this development. What is there? Means the developmental activities are leading to the gradual destructions of this biological diverse rainforest. Okay, on the name of the development, that the trees of this forest are being cutting down, and now you can say building and roads and many other things are going to set up. So in this way, that these rainforests are being destructing, and many people have, you can say, left this life and they settle to the another parts near the cities and to find the work in industries and factory. So means due to this, it is estimated that a large area of the rainforest has been disappearing annually in the Amazon basin. Understood about it? Okay, and this deforestation, you can say, which leads deforestation, and due to this the topsoil is also washed away as the rainfall, and the lush forest turns into the barren landscapes. Okay, so in this way the life of the people is disturbing or affecting due to the, you can say, that development. So this is about the life of the people in the rainforest or Amazon basin. So in today's lecture we have discussed about the Amazon basin, its location, Amazon river, okay, and the life of the people living in this area. So friends, this is for today. Now I'll give some question answer to do. You have to write the answers of this question in your fair notebook, and after completing your homework you have to submit it to me on my email ID. Understood about it? Yes. So now first question, name the continent in which the Amazon basin is located. Okay, already we have discussed about it. Just in the starting of the chapter I told you where it is located. Name the birds that you are likely to find in the rainforest of the Amazon basin. As I told that a large or various species of birds, insects, reptiles are found in the Amazon basin. You have to tell some birds name which are found in this area. Which is the largest river basin in the world? Definitely about that we are studying. What is called the river's mouth? This already I have told you. Name the countries of the basin through which the equator passes. And in last, write a short note on slash and burn agriculture. Yes friends, I have explained this topic. What do you mean by slash and burn agriculture? So the answers of this question you have to write in your fair notebook. Okay, this is for today. Tomorrow we will meet again with next lecture of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.